Okay, let's move on to level number 5. So this is level number 5. So what do we need to do in this level? So in this mission, you will receive a string, and you must return the last 5 characters. So last 5 characters, this looks like we're doing more string indexing if we're doing this in Python. So if you're not doing this in Python, here's the thing, you can do these challenges with any programming language you want. You could do it in Python, you could do it in C, you could do it in Java, you could do it in assembly if you really wanted to. But this is it's a good way to challenge yourself as far as programming is concerned. So let's see, if we get this input over here, I don't know why I'm doing this stuff, then you would send back the stuff, the last 5 characters, and that's how you'd solve this level. So let's go ahead and set this up over at the coding window. So we've got our code over here, and we're gonna, actually, let's copy this over. So we're gonna copy whatever we had for level 4, and we're gonna call the new file level 5. Okay, so now we're going to edit level 5, and we're going to do this like we did the previous level. We're going to workshop this. So everything's going to be the same over here, except that we're going to send level 5 instead of level 4. And then we receive the challenge. That's going to be the same. So everything after this, we're going to do some we're just going to comment everything out, and we're going to make sure that we're going to do this step by step. So the first thing we need to do is receive the challenge, then print the challenge. After that, we're going to figure out how we're going to do the rest of the challenge. So we're just going to save this, and then we're going to run the script. So Python level 5. Okay, so we received this string. So if we receive this string, we need to, well, okay, this isn't a string, these are bytes. If we receive these bytes, we need to convert this into a string, and then we need to get a variable that is only the last 5 characters. So 1, 2, 3, well, okay, these are 5 characters. So 5 characters, we need to convert this into bytes, and then we need to send it back to the server to complete the challenge. So this is what we're going to do. The first thing we need to do is we need to convert the bytes into a string. That's what we're going to do here. So convert the bytes into a string, data string. We're going to decode it into UTF-8 format, and then we're going to print out this is the string. Okay. And the next thing after that is we're not going to reverse the string. Instead, we're going to let's see, grab only the last 5 characters of the string. And how do we do that? Sorry, I need to quote this out. So grab only the last 5 characters of the string. So that's going to be so how do we do this string indexing? I kind of forget. Let's see. So it's going to be the data string. No, we probably need to change the variable names too. Okay, so this variable is going to be called last 5. Okay, so the last 5 string is going to be data string. Let's see. Get last n characters of a string Python. Okay, this probably looks like what we want. So let's see. It's going to be minus n. Oh, we need the colon. Okay. It's going to be minus n and then colon. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. So it's not colon -5, it's -5 colon. Okay, let's save this out and let's run the script again. Okay, so these are the last 5 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that works. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is we need to convert this thing into bytes. Because we can't send a string, we have to send bytes. So we're just going to comment this out. So convert the string into bytes, and we're going to call this reverse bytes. So the reverse bytes is going to be last 5 string, and we're going to encode that. And these are the last 5 bytes. We're going to send, this shouldn't be called reverse bytes. This should be called last 5 bytes. Let's change that. Okay, and then before we send this, let's just do one last check. Okay, we're going to write that out. Okay, so these are the last 5 characters. These are the last 5 bytes. So this looks like it's working. All we need to do is we need to send the challenge back, and then we can receive the flag. So let's go ahead and finish off this code. So we're just going to get rid of these, get rid of the comments. Anyways, all right. So what we need to do is we need to send the last 5 bytes and then receive the flag. So let's go ahead and send last 5 bytes. Okay, we write that out, and then we run the script. Okay, so everything worked. So we received the challenge from the server, we convert it into a string, and then we get only the last 5 characters over here, and then we convert those last 5 characters into bytes. We send it over to the server, and then we receive the flag. This is the flag. Awesome, awesome. Let's go ahead and submit this to the website. So we're just going to paste this in, submit the flag. It's going to say that we submitted this in the past. We have, but we're finished.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.